What's up, guys? I am in Hong Kong, Kowloon, and I'm in this Novotel. So I'm gonna show you guys the room tour. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, I'm in the room. So let me just walk around and I'll come give you guys a room tour. So guys, at the entrance I can see a very I like this design. So this is a toilet, then the shower, and it's not really big but it's alright, it's enough. So what is special about this specific door is, so this is a toilet. So you close this door and there's a cupboard right here. It's small, just nice, so quite an old safe box. We got some a brush and the tool for you to wear your shoe. We got an ironing board, got slippers, plastic bag. Yep, so it's not too bad. Fresh towels. We got some really nice looking shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and even like a natural soap bar. This is the shampoo, comes with toothbrush, shower cap, vanity set, and that's it. There's no shaver kit. So let's check out the shower. I mean, literally you can't lift your arm. If you lift your arm, you can straighten your arm. And if it's on the horizontal way, it is just almost a complete arm length. So it's quite small, but it's Hong Kong, so everywhere is small. We got that fancy looking mirror like last time when I was in Vietnam. Yep, so that is the bathroom. That is very caring of them because they provide a universal adapter. A very nice pouch, complimentary drinks. Evian you have to pay $59, but there's a 7-Eleven opposite that is selling it at 20 something, so it's cheaper. We have some tea. Oh, you can ask for fresh milk as well. Lol. You got protection, guys. Protection. So you got some tea, Earl Grey, English breakfast tea, Nescafe, coffee mat. You got a eco sweetener, sugar. I mean, it's sufficient, not too bad. Oh, there's small mini bar fridge. I don't think it's free. Yep, it's not free. Yeah, there's a bill that you need to fill up when you check out. So the room is like this. So this is I believe it's a queen bed, but yeah, I think it's a queen bed. So comes with this breakfast by the side of your table kind of table that you can roll up, which I'm probably not going to use. Got a sofa that you can rest on, then a desk, then that's about it. It's a rather simple room, but I like the very contemporary design, and the TV is similar to the Vietnam room. Link in the description below on that room tour. And there's a giant fucking lamp here. So I'm 170 cm and I am barely reaching the lamp. So, okay, now for the last part, which is the view. Check it out. Alright guys, so on the room, it was a city view, but I'm quite disappointed with the view because I don't see a city view, I see a wall. So we have a very big window and I see a wall, I see another building there, and I see this Eaton Hotel right over there. This is quite disappointing. This ain't no city view, guys. Yep, so that's about it for the room tour. I'm just gonna rest for a while because I came over on the first flight and I am exhausted and I'm hungry. So I'm just gonna rest for a while, grab a bite of food, and then I'll go visit my relative in Taiwan. So stay tuned guys, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon.